In this video, I'll show you how to get Roblox Studio on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. Now head over to your Roblox. This is not the Roblox Studio, right? For you to be able to get the Roblox Studio here on your PC, you see this crate, click on this crate. Once I've clicked on this crate, it's going to open up. So you can see there is a different display from the previous one, right? So this is the Roblox PC Studio. Like this is the Roblox Studio, right? This is the Roblox Studio here on your PC. And right here you can see welcome back to Creators Hub. How to do get Roblox Studio. So this is it. You need to at least, I think you need to download it, right? So from here you can see you can launch your studio. Like there's a whole lot of things right here. So this is basically how you can get the Roblox Studio here on PC. So once you have done this, you need to now step by step do everything, right? So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.